Here.
Good morning, you guys. In honor of Valentine's Day coming up this week, I want to take you through how to make some of my favorite cupcakes. They're called black bottom cupcakes. They're chocolatey, they have a chocolate chip cheesecake center. They're really easy to make. You probably have most of the stuff in your kitchen already. I will link the recipe that I used down below in case you guys want to go check that out as well. Grab a mixing bowl, grab your apron, and come along with me. I'm starting by preheating my oven to 350 degrees and greasing a muffin tin. Starting with our dry ingredients, you're going to need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 cup of white sugar. Moving on to the wet ingredients, we have 1 cup of water, a 1/3 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. For the cheesecake filling, you're going to need 1 egg, 1 cup of mini chocolate chips, a 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and a pinch of table salt. Then we're going to grab 2 mixing bowls, a whisk, and a spoon. And then, of course, I have my trusted sous chef, Marlo. I'm going to start by putting the block of cream cheese into a bowl, and I let this soften at room temperature to make it a little bit easier to mix. Then I'm going to crack in my egg and give that a stir. Next, we're going to mix in our salt and our sugar and give that a whisk until it's smooth. And then we're going to stir in all of our mini chocolate chips. Once that's all mixed, we're just going to put that mixture aside and move on to our dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I'm going to mix together the flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt. And I'm going to stir in the cocoa powder. Once that's all mixed, I'm going to make a well in the center of the dry ingredients by pushing all of the contents from the middle to the outside to make a pocket to pour our wet ingredients into. Once that's done, we're going to dump our wet ingredient mixture in, and then just give that a good mix until you have a nice, consistent, smooth batter. I'm going to build these cupcakes by putting a 1/4 cup of the batter into the muffin tin, and then about 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of the cheesecake mixture right on top. And then I'm going to put another little scoop of the batter on top of that, just enough to cover it partially but not fully, because you want to be able to see that cheesecake mixture when you bake it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do that with the rest of the batter. Once it looks like this, you're ready to pop it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. You can check to see if your cupcakes are done by inserting a toothpick into the middle of them. If the toothpick comes out clean, then they're all finished. And that's all there is to it. They're super easy, they're so good. I really hope that you give them a try. If you do, let me know how you like them. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.